2015 Escalade, doing the fluid pressure sensor. It's a base model, 8-cylinder. Let's see, gotta drop the tank to really reach to that fluid pressure sensor. This is the sensor area. Fluid pressure sensor. Now we're gonna try this guy. We got 2 straps there. Like some 15 millimeter bolt. And guys, make sure you switch the ear suspension off before you guys drop the vehicle off. That will cause a problem for you guys. So you need to check to see if the switch come in the trunk. So sometimes come in the trunk and the passenger side. So I don't really see the switch in the trunk. So let's check the passenger. So got connection right here. Right here. Right there. I got 3 connection off from the box. And this one. Squeeze it. Oh, yeah, it goes right here. I guess it does not carry a switch for the ear suspension, so we're not gonna really take the chance and jack it. And stuff. So we're gonna see if we could jack the tank halfway to get the switch in without having to jack it up all the way. Again, most of the hose in the back removed, so let this pressure line right here, 2 line right here to disconnect. There's nothing on this side. Just this one line. Pry right on. Get some pressure. So we got 1 strap done. It's a 15 bolt. I've got the 2nd strap out. That's the gas cap. That's right. Yeah. Let's get up close enough. You can see it? Yeah. That's the pressure sensor. Drop it down a little bit. Yeah. You want the part? Yeah. To come up. There's the sauce. You gotta reach it up. You want to drop down some more now. Jeez. Whew. That was a mission. This is sensor. So this is the old sensor. As you can see, I did drop the car up. I did not take the gas tank all the way down. From the back part of the vehicle. I also used 2 drops. Really, but here's the connection. So there's a lot of space and room where you could push it on. Really pull it right out. This is the new one. As you can see, I got the new one here. I put a little bit of lube, a little bit of grease, something to lube it so you could slide easily all the way. So that's the fluid tank pressure sensor right there.